I stopped waiting by the phone at night, left your name where it used to ring. I kept your silence in the kitchen, like it was some normal thing. You said soon like it meant something. I held on like I believed, but time has a way of telling truth when love don't really breathe. I used to watch for every sign that wasn't there. I made a home out of confusion, pretending you still cared. I stopped waiting for you to come back home. I stopped waiting for a love already gone. I stopped waiting for words you never said. Now the quiet feels lighter than the hope I kept instead.